I love packages. Woo! So we got this guy from Motown, USA. Should have some good parts here. Oh yeah! Nothing like cutting the box open with a butter knife. Oh, geez, my finger out of there. Never thought I'd be so excited for lawnmower parts, but here we are. Excited about lawnmower parts. Oh, it's Friday afternoon right now. About 45 minutes before I go to work here, so I won't be able to do much with it. Pretty green paper. It's like Easter. There you go. Here's the old Briggs & Stratton tune-up kit. Sure hope it's the right one. Should be. Comes with all the goodies. Open that up in a second. And we got this guy. Dump it out. Looks about right. There's Axel. He sees a cat or something. So I'm going to grab the old one just to compare them and see how close they are. There's the old one. Feels about the same size. So as long as it mounts up, I think we're good. Old, new. Looking through the package, if you can see it. Yeah, looks about right. Hopefully the mounting holes are in the right spot. They look close. It does use the lower bolts, not the upper ones, so these ones I know are smaller, but they shouldn't matter. Alright, hopefully we'll have this thing running this weekend. Let's open up this little tune-up kit. I think total I spent about $50. There you go. Your spark plug sitting right on top. Briggs & Stratton brand. Interesting. There you go. Bottle of oil. Do a little oil change on her. Some fuel treatment stabilizer. Good old air filter that I need. And a little instruction booklet. Cool. No sticker? Alright. There, YouTube. Going to try and put this lawnmower back together since I got my parts. So open up this new guy here. I feel like complete crap this weekend, but I figure I gotta do something. Here we go, it's a new one. Looks a little nicer than the old one did. Alright, just got done changing the oil, spark plug, and the new ignition module magneto assembly deal, whatchamacallit. So, got the back door open in the garage here, see if she fires up right after I put my handle back together. There we go. Yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah? What do you think of that? Oh, yeah. Yep, runs good. Looks like she had a little choke issue there in the beginning. This is just like it's rubbing on something. Let's mess with that a little bit. Let's fire up again, see what happens. She's working good, huh? Don't worry about that guy there, it feels sticky. Alright. Well, got her running again. We're good to go. Now that it's raining, I can't even mow my lawn. And let's give her one last pull just to make sure. Got her all back together. Yeah, she runs good now. So the piece I thought was sticking, that's just the choke, which is normal. Little heat deal in there that drags, you know, adjust the choke for you and all that, so it's working normal. It's good to go. I am happy now. I can shove it back outside where it can be in the weather again.